play segments off of channel 2 or 3, which are designated for playback, we first need to put them onto the server. To accomplish this, you'll be using the computer next door to the server, where we upload our fill segments. Turn on the computer by pressing the power button located on the tower below the table. Once it turns on, you'll be prompted to enter the username and password. Log in with username faculty and leave the password blank. Once you've logged in, connect the external drive to the tower. You should be able to plug it into the front or back of the computer. After inserting the drive, you'll see its icon appear on the desktop. Open the external drive in the Finder and drag the video files within onto the desktop in a folder for your given semester. Go ahead and open Final Cut Pro by clicking on its icon in the dock. Once Final Cut is done booting up, select File, New, and Sequence to create a new timeline for our fill segment. Now that we have a blank timeline, select File, Import, and find the video file from your fill segment folder. You should now be able to find your video file in the browser window. Click and drag your clip into your sequence. To record from this computer onto the server, we want to make our sequence in Final Cut expand to full screen. To accomplish this, find the command Print to Video near the bottom of the File drop-down menu. You should now see a window with a bunch of confusing information. Ignore everything else and simply type in 5 seconds or so of bars and tone. Once you've checked the box next to bars and tone, go ahead and click OK. You should get another dialog box that says you're ready to record. This will give us enough time to start our record and show us when the segment starts when we play it back. Now it's time to set our server for record as well. In order for the server to receive incoming video and audio, we have to change the flow of information so that the server is receiving media instead of spitting it out. You might have noticed a small dial on the server with 2 options, audio board and Kona card. Turn the dial so that it is switched to the Kona card. Next to the dial is a video box that has to be changed to the Kona card. Press the button on the video box until it is set to input 2. Now we can set up for a new recording on channel 1. Be sure to give it the same name as you did from the Macintosh computer. When you're ready, go ahead and start recording on the server. Then, quickly move over to the Mac computer and click OK to start playing the sequence. Feel free to chill out while you wait for the sequence to play out. Start to pay attention when the segment is ending to make sure that you don't record any more than you have to. Once the sequence is finished, go ahead and click Stop on the server to end the recording. You can now create in and out points, as well as save your new recording for the final broadcast of the segment. Good job, and give yourself a pat on the back. You've learned a lot about how to be a great server operator, and you are one step closer to becoming a broadcast studio savant.